Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Rakesh and this is my wife Sunita. Say hi.
Hello, hi everyone. My name is
So-
Sunita.
So we are here in Port Blair and we want to thank the Networld Travels, Mr. Wasim, who did a wonderful job by leading us and taking us across the Andaman and Nicobar Island. They had assisted us in each and every step, and even without mobile also we were able to connect. Everything was on dot and on time. We actually enjoyed our trip and we can't even imagine how 6 days are over for us.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Wasim, and cheers to Networld Travels. Thank you.